Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss page number 56 and the topic is Animal Myths Busted. On the top, it's written, are these popular sayings about animals true? Read to find out. So let's read the first myth. It's camels store food in their hump. It's a myth. So let's read the fact now. A camel can survive for several days without water, not because of any water stored in its hump, but because its body is adapted to fight extreme dehydration that would otherwise kill most other animals. Also, it stores lumps of fat and muscle in its hump, which provide energy when it has to go without food for days. The next myth is bats are blind. Let's read the fact. Studies show that a bat does not use its eyesight to track prey. Rather, it emits short, high pitched sounds that are reflected by obstacles in its path. This is called echolocation and is used to track prey, to avoid obstacles, and possibly to regulate the height at which the bat is flying. Because bats use echolocation more than they use their eyes, people often think that they are blind. Next myth is ostriches bury their heads in the sand. Actually, ostriches have small heads and to escape detection, they lie on the ground with their necks outstretched. Their heads are so small that even from a short distance, it looks like their heads are actually buried in the sand. Another myth is bulls react violently to the color red. Bulls are colorblind. In most cases, it is the fluttering of the cloth by a bullfighter which irritates a bull. The color of the cloth is immaterial. Next is touching a frog or a toad will give you a warts. It's a myth. And the fact is, most people wrongly think that because some frogs or toads have bumps on their back, they are infectious. Now it's a quiz time. So here comes the first question. You have to find out whether the statement is true or false. So the first statement is bees will not sting at night. It's false because the fact is bees will sting at any time for protection. So it's the incorrect statement. Next statement, an elephant never forgets. But is it true? In reality, an elephant never forgets is a generalization that's not true all the time because all elephants forget things from time to time. However, scientists have proven that elephants do have incredible memories. So again, the statement is false. The third statement is opossums hang by their tails and sleep. This is opossum. Let's read. It's just a myth. Young possums are sometimes spotted dangling temporarily by their tails, which may be where the myth got started. But even juveniles don't hang upside down while sleeping. It can curl tightly around branches, grasp and carry objects, and help stabilize the possum as it clambers around in trees and bushes. So the statement is false. Next, last statement is cats hate bathing in water. It's true because cats can smell the chemicals in water which makes them hate bathing in water. So it was all about page number 56.